Hi guys, it's Brick Love, and today we will look at this Lego set, Lego Gabby's Dollhouse, Bakey with Cakey Fun. And at this box you can see our little girl Gabby and her cat that looks like a cake. And as you can see, it's a 4+ set, so it will be easy to play for little children. As you can see, I'm showing you right now my screen, and you can see here cartoon Gabby's Dollhouse. It's interesting that this cartoon has 8 seasons, as you can see this in the Wikipedia page. And the interesting fact, this cartoon has also a Netflix adaptation with real actor and a cat. So yeah, let's back to our Lego set. As you can see at the box, we have Gabby and her kitty. Also, in Ukrainian equivalency, price will be 300 hryvnias, and it's almost $10. And the back of our box, we have again Gabby, her cat, and a kitchen. Also we have words like learn to build, so it's obvious that this will be easy for children to play with. So yeah, let's unbox our set. And right now you can see on your screens that this set have instruction inside and some pieces. First piece is eat to eat round blue piece for our cake, and also a yellow cake basement. Also, as you can see on your screen, it's instruction. It's typical instruction for Lego company from 2021, because it's have something like QR code, and also win competition. It's traditional competition for Lego company. And as you can see, this instruction is made for little children, because they have hands and these instructions, so it will be easy for children to understand how to play with this. And also we have eat to eat blue basement for our kitchen. As you can see at the first package, we have some pieces for our Gabby, and also round cake piece. It's a new piece from Lego Friends, and also we can see something like round printed pieces in this set. In the second our package, we can see also a cat and some cake pieces for our kitchen. after building our set, we can see some structures. First one, it will be animal of our Gabby's. It's a cat cake. It's kind of interesting piece because it was made only for the theme and for the set, so it's amazing, honestly, for this price. So also we can see our doll, it's Gabby, and also I can say this is amazing, and the most amazing piece of this minifigure is her catchy bandana that was made only for this figure, and also we have some additional pieces in this set with this catchy bandana. Third structure of this set, it will be a ladder for our cake, and here it is, a cake. It's huge, it's beautiful. Inside of this cake you can see some fruits. Why did I do this? Because inside of our instruction we have some steps that shows you can throw your apples or some sort of fruits inside of this cake. It's kinda interesting, honestly. And also you can see our last structure, it's a kitchen of this set. It's small but it's beautiful, honestly. And as you can see, it's our additional pieces of this set, and it's some round pieces, some cake pieces, and also this catty head bandana. So yeah, that's amazing. Thank you for watching my video, subscribe to my channel, and Slava Ukraini!